CYN stock analysis. Is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. First thing that I want to mention with CYN is that the price is already 12% down. It's a melting ticker. And one thing that I want to mention is inside a gap. Before I get any further, I have spent and delivered thousands of correct predictions over the last 4 years. I mean, I've spent thousands on courses and mentors, like 5 figures. All of that has been documented, and it's taken me freaking 35,000 videos to learn the stuff that I'm sharing here. For me personally, the only way that I'll continue to move forward is if I see my rules met, which in this case is that double break. So unless I see that shift, then I'm obviously not gonna continue with that bearish market. And why did I exactly wait for this? Is because this is what's holding the price down. Like right now, obviously we kind of failed to break with a full candle. Actually, we did break. So ultimately, second break must be this 1 hour candle close beneath 12 cents, 12.5 cents. Only if that happens, only then I'm going to take things lower. If it does not, obviously I'm not going to move lower. And yeah, so if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.